Hey everyone, happy 2022. Today's the 3rd. We got a snowstorm and look at all my jujube trees. I didn't really get a chance to prepare for the winter, but I think it was too late anyway, so I decided not to do anything about it. They should be okay. But yeah, it's crazy. But look how much snow we had. It's crazy. It's over a foot. Stop, please. So I'll come back next year to prune it, especially this one. It's way too tall. Look how much snow it is. I was planning on mulching it, but I didn't get a chance to. And now look at how much snow. That's a lot. It's kind of pretty though. Alright guys, happy 2022.